Well, the question of masks is back in the spotlight. The CDC releasing new guidance today saying everyone, no matter what your vaccination status is, should be wearing a mask in a public setting. The agency stressing this is in the counties that have high or substantial infection transmission rates. ABC 7's Dylan McKim spoke with the governor's office, doctors, and even El Pasoans to get reactions on these recommendations. He joins us live now. Dylan.
Eric, the CDC says these masks are necessary to help stop the spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant. But the chances of these masks being mandated in El Paso are very low.
And the Delta variant is something you should be concerned about.
The Delta variant spiking COVID numbers around the U.S. This map from the CDC showing just that. All the counties shaded in red and orange show areas where the transmission level is high or substantial. It's in these areas that the CDC recommends everyone wear masks. But in El Paso, those levels in a moderate category. The city says 0 cases of the Delta variant have been detected in El Paso. I asked Dr. Ogachika Olozi if it was necessary for vaccinated El Pasoans to wear a mask. His answer was nuanced.
If you're vaccinated and you have some underlying health issues, maybe it is time for you to wear a mask. If you're vaccinated and you're young and healthy, I think that's your personal decision.
And if it's your decision to wear a mask, make sure you wear the right one.
In the beginning of the pandemic, Dr. Olozi says it was acceptable to wear those cloth masks because there was a shortage of supply around the world. But if you want to wear a mask today, Dr. Olozi suggests an N95 mask or a surgical mask like this one. He says these are the best to protect you from the Delta variant.
Also important, the CDC saying kids of all ages in school should wear a mask. The 3 main school districts in El Paso say they are following guidance from the governor on mask mandates. The governor's office telling ABC 7, quote, Governor Abbott has been clear. The time for government mandating of masks is over. Now is the time for personal responsibility. Every Texan has the right to choose whether they will wear a mask or have their children wear masks. I went to San Jacinto Plaza to see how El Pasoans felt about the new guidance from the CDC. I spoke to 2 women, both of them vaccinated and both of them with children.
I think it's great.
Jessica Dominguez would like to see kids masked up at school.
I think we need to have a personal ownership, and if our governor doesn't do that, I think as parents we need to go ahead and send our children with masks.
Tabitha Johnson sees it a little differently. She feels that a mask mandate is unnecessary and that families should make the decisions themselves.
If it's the right thing for them, I think that's what they should do.
And Eric, it's important to remember back on May 18th, the governor issued an executive order that said no government entity could require people to wear masks. So if a mandate is coming, it's going to have to start with the governor. Reporting live in downtown, Dylan McKim, ABC 7.